In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an appointment on Calendly. Whether you've mistakenly booked a slot or your plans have changed, knowing how to cancel an appointment effectively can save you and the other party time and effort, while also keeping your schedule organized. Let's get started by making your way to Calendly's homepage. To do this, you just need to type in their web address, calendly.com, into your browser's search bar. Upon reaching their site, you'll notice a friendly interface inviting you to start scheduling meetings stress-free. But our focus today isn't on booking, it's on cancellation. Once you're on their homepage, look for the login button. It's usually positioned at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you closer to where you need to be, managing your appointments. For those using Calendly integrated with their Google account, the process becomes even smoother from here. Simply click on Continue with Google. This nifty feature allows Calendly to sync with your Google Calendar, making scheduling even more seamless. After clicking Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select the Google account associated with your Calendly. Choose the one you use for scheduling to proceed. Remember, this integration ensures that Calendly has access to your calendar, so it can automatically help you manage your appointments without the hassle of double booking, or, as we're addressing today, simplifying the cancellation process. Once logged in, navigate your way to your Calendly dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, from scheduling meetings to adjusting your availability settings. But of course, today our focus is on how to cancel an existing appointment. Look for the meetings option. It's here that Calendly lists all your scheduled appointments. The intuitive design of this page makes finding the engagement you need to cancel straightforward. Now, the crucial step: selecting the event you wish to cancel. On your meetings page, you'll see a list of all upcoming appointments. Each one has details such as the time, date, and with whom the meeting is scheduled. Find the one you need to cancel and click on it. This action will take you to a detailed view of that particular appointment. Here you can see all the specifics, perhaps even reminding you why you needed to book it in the first place. Located within this detailed view is the option to cancel the appointment. Calendly has designed this feature to be as simple as a click of a button, literally. The cancel option should be visible on this page, and by clicking it you initiate the cancellation process. Calendly might ask you for a reason for the cancellation. This is an optional step, but providing a reason can be helpful feedback for the host or organizer. Once you confirm the cancellation, Calendly will automatically send a notification to the other party involved, letting them know that the appointment has been cancelled. This automatic notification is a crucial feature, eliminating the need for you to personally inform them, saving you an additional step. And there you have it. You've successfully cancelled an appointment on Calendly. Not only does this free up your schedule, but it also keeps your calendar in sync with your actual availability, preventing any possible misunderstandings or missed appointments. Remember, keeping your calendar up to date is not just about adding meetings and appointments. It's also about responsibly managing cancellations. Whether your plans have changed or an error needs correcting, knowing how to navigate your scheduling tools empowers you to maintain an organized approach to your time management. Today we've walked through the steps of how to cancel an appointment on Calendly, but this is just one feature of this powerful scheduling tool. Calendly offers a wide range of customization options to fit your scheduling needs, from setting buffer times between meetings to allowing invitees to schedule with you based on your real-time availability. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Keep exploring Calendly to unlock its full potential and make scheduling and rescheduling an effortless part of your workflow.